In today's video, we're going to go through the process of setting up horse stalls. For these horse stalls, we're going to stack up pieces of center match, also known as tongue and groove. We're going to stack up to the fifth one, and then the fifth piece of center match is going to get modified. One important step in the process that I've learned is to nail two in the bottom specifically so that it's easier to stack as they go up. If you nail them into the top, it becomes more difficult to get the pieces of center match to line up properly. So now we have the fifth piece of center match on, and this is the one that needs to be modified. For these particular stalls in this building, we need to pull up from the bottom of grade 3 foot 11 and 3/8 inches. That's going to be the amount we cut it across the bottom, and then we're going to place a 2x6 here, and that's going to be flush with the outside of the post. Then we're going to be able to slide the horse stall in with the cutout and modified piece of lumber. Ultimately, what that will look like is right here. The 2x6 on both sides, keeping it nice and tight. Once the 2x6s are on, the grill's on and fastened, is to put a 2x6 going across the top that is also flush to the outside of the posts. For this particular stall, we have 2x8 header that holds the track board for the door. So it should look like this, having the 2x8 header, the track board, and the track then installed on it at the proper height given by the print. The door can then be placed onto the track, and then you should be good to go. So that was a look at how we build horse stalls. For more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe.